Adjusting door closers. General safety information. Installation, maintenance, and servicing are to be performed only by trained and qualified personnel familiar with commercial walk-in products. Ensure that all field wiring conforms to the equipment requirements and all applicable local and national codes. Disconnect all power sources before servicing the unit. Sheet metal and coil surfaces have sharp edges. Use appropriate protective gloves to prevent injury. Use appropriate eye protection during installation and servicing. There are many different models of door closers installed on walk-in doors, including both spring-loaded and hydraulic mechanisms. However, they are all adjustable in the same manner. First, loosen the screws that attach the hook to the door panel. Once the screws are loosened, adjust the hook up or down as necessary to obtain the correct height and tighten the screws. When properly adjusted, the roller should just clear the hook's outer lip as shown in this diagram. If further adjustment is necessary, the closer itself can be moved up or down as follows. For models with a plastic cover, use a screwdriver to pry the cover off the door closer. Loosen the screws that attach the closer to the door and position the closer to the correct height. And tighten the screws. Press the plastic cover back on. For models without a plastic cover, pry the closer off of the mounting bracket and loosen the mounting screws to obtain the necessary height. After tightening the screw, push the closer back onto the mounting bracket. Again, roller should just clear the hook's outer lip when closing the door. Be sure the roller does not strike the outer lip of the hook, as this can cause the door to remain open rather than closed.
You can visit our website for more installation videos at www.colpack.com or call 1-800-225-9916 for more information.